Now, when you think about journaling, you might have an image of a pretty notebook in the hands of a teenage girl trying to find themselves and dealing with tween drama. Perhaps you don't know that many of the world's top CEOs keep a journal. And now that we are all going through this level 4 experience, I think journaling could be a really powerful way of helping you to stay on top of things. But journaling's just about putting some words on a page, isn't it? How much can that really do for me? Well, keeping a journal can make us more aware and self-aware and help us detect sneaky, unhealthy patterns in our thoughts and behaviors. It also allows us to take more control over our lives and puts things in perspective. It can also help us shift from a negative mindset to a more positive one, especially about ourselves. Now, simply doing a brain dump of words on the page may feel good, but there's little evidence that it will actually increase your well-being. To get the benefits, here's some tips on how to go about doing journaling. Number 1, write in a private and personalized space that's free from distractions as far as possible. Number 2, write at least 3 or 4 times in a day if you can, and aim for writing consecutively. That's at least once a day. If you have to, just jot out some thoughts on your phone and you can transfer that where it needs to be later. Number 3, give yourself some time to reflect and balance yourself after writing. Number 4, structure the writing however it feels right to you. And number 5, keep your journal private. It's for your eyes only, not your partner, not your family, not your friends, just you. I'll leave some more information in the description with other tips, but for now, take your time to get your thoughts together in a journal that you can come back to time after time. Journaling isn't just for tweens and CEOs. When we get through this, you'll find it fascinating to reflect on what was going on for you. Let me know how you get on in the comments below. Go well, see you tomorrow here at Level 4. I'm not going anywhere.